Okay. What does that say, Samuel?
Blue or pink? What do you think?
What do you think?
Boy or girl, what do you think?
Girl.
This is
You
what
think-
it is. The doctor called me today.
You think girl?
Charlie, what do you think? Blue or pink? Okay. What do you want?
I think he guesses.
Open it. Let Charlie open it.
No, it's my envelope.
All right, open it. Come on, let's see what we got.
Is it gonna show a picture?
I don't know. You're going to have to... Oh, don't be upset, okay? It might be one or the other, okay?
Total girl. You can tell. It's a big setup.
What does that say?
A.
What is it?
Girl!
No, are you serious?
Yeah.
Girl, lady style!
Yeah!
No way.
You're
No,
having
maybe not. That's a good color.
I did that, but the doctor told me on the phone. It's a girl. You're having a sister. Charlie.
Yeah!
Oh, it's okay. You're having a baby sister.